Today we're making chapati. You need salt, you need our flour, 500 grams of warm water, a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of oil, and 450 grams of flour. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl and knead well. You can use a mixer or you can use your hands. Knead it well, then leave it for around
30 minutes.
30 to
Remove this.
45 minutes. After 45 minutes, knead it again, and then cut it and start making your chapatis. Cover the rest of the dough to keep it soft. Roll and put some oil, then you fold it so that you can get the really nice and soft chapati. Use oil or butter to fry the chapati. I prefer oil.